So I talked to a lot of DJs, and one that I was giving some advice to and doing some coaching for asked me if it was appropriate to ask the photographer at the event they were doing to try to get some shots of them for promotional material, whether it be pictures of their rig or pictures of themselves or whatever it was. Hi, it's Bill. This is Creative License, and thanks for being a part of my little dog and pony show. Thanks again, if you would be kind, to my sponsors, Electro Voice, Disc Jockey News, DJ Event Planner, Promo Only, Perfect Portals, and of course, my workshop, The Entertainment Experience. I have got a couple happening here before the end of the year. I would love for you to be a part of it. One of them is in June. Anyway, let me tell you what I think of what he asked me. Is it appropriate to get photographs taken by the photographer at the event you're at if in fact you're not the client? Because you're not. It's a really interesting question. And I guess what I'd say is, no, it's not inappropriate at all. I mean, he knows that you're not the client, right? So he's probably not going to give you, he's not going to take your picture and miss one of the client that they're working with. You're not their priority. But because you're center stage throughout the day, it's not too much of a tough thing for a photographer to turn their head, look at what you're doing, frame you, and make you look professional. It's not. Some won't, but actually, I only had it that only one wouldn't do it. But even that guy, he sent me something later, right? So asking, not a big deal. Receiving, when they say, hey, I got a couple things, not a big deal. I don't think that's inappropriate at all. What I think is inappropriate is when we expect that art to be used for us and then don't compensate the artist. Okay? You don't like to work for free, right? And yeah, it may seem that, hey, all he had to do is turn his head and snap a photograph, but that photograph came with years of training, right? It is what he does for a living. I will tell you what I do when I'm at an event and I work directly with the photographer, helping to set up shots and everything. I let him know, hey man, if you end up turning your head and get a couple of shots of me or pictures of me that I can use in my marketing material, could you please reach out and let me know? Because I'll buy them from you. Yeah. You should pay for the art that you want to use. You should pay for the work that the man does. Now, he's going to have to figure out whether or not he's allowed to share photographs with you by talking to the client, right? And even if he has, when you get that photography, you should reach out to the client and say, hey, I got this great picture from the photographer. I'm thinking about using my website or on a flyer or on a brochure. Yeah, brochure is things that people used to do back at, in the early 1800s. But your digital media, right? Ask, and 99% of the times you'll receive. And the thing is people expect free from us all the time, and we don't like it. Yet we ask for free all the time. We ask for free without any compensation to our clients for their testimonials and for their photographs and for their videos. But I think it's better to offer. Most of your clients are going to give it to you. Most of the photographers are going to give it to you. Some of them want something in return, though, even if it's just credit for the images they took. Wouldn't you want credit for the work you did? Especially if that's the only way you're getting paid? What do you think of this? How do you do this? Does it matter to you? I'm okay either way. I'd like to know. Write down your comments below. This is Bill. This is Creative License, and I'll see you next week.